Welcome to day one. Today, you're going to learn the foundation everything else in this series builds on. So let's get into day one. And then, what is a trading algorithm? A trading algorithm is a set of rules that tells a computer exactly when to buy, when to sell, and how much. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have the recipe, on the right, the algorithm. Imagine you're a chef, then you cook by following a recipe. The recipe here says, if the pan reaches the right temperature, add oil. A trading algorithm works exactly the same way. The computer follows the instruction exactly as written, which in this case is, if the price crosses above this level, then buy. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of a trading algorithm in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. A trading algorithm makes decisions based on rules defined in advance, true or false. And the correct answer is true. That's exactly what an algorithm is. It's a fixed set of rules the computer follows, no improvising.